Hello everyone. So today video is all about the dryer, and we have one Samsung dryer which is having some kind of the problem. Dryer is not heating up, and in short this dryer is not working properly. So now it is up to us. We have to check it that all the functions are working properly, all the major components are working or not, and if there is some problem, so we will try to fix it. And now I am turning the power on. So you see the display is working, and we just need to check whether the controls are okay or not. So it is easy. First we have to put on some basic function, which is the time dry, and we have to choose a minimum dry time and then start. So you can see here the drum is spinning. So now you can see this filter is clean, and we will check if there any dirt inside. So inside it is clean, it means this filter was working. And we will just check here whether this heat exchanger is clogged or no. So this one is also in a very good condition, so there is no issue. We will check further. Now this is the time to go inside and check for the problem, and for that I just start opening it from the here. So I am going to pause this video and I will continue once I have unscrewed all these screws. Then I will continue the video. One more. Okay. So you can see here there is a blower, and it is connected with the same motor of the drum. So it means if the drum is working, then this blower must be rotating. If the blower is rotating, so it is yeah. So now there is a question, from where is the suction of this blower and from where it is giving the discharge. So suction is from the center, from the inside, and this is the discharge. Okay, so we just need to turn it on once again and check that everything is fine or no. This time I will turn it on and I will check whether this blower is moving the air or no. So this blower is working, and it is displacing a good amount of air. So it means from the blower and the drum rotation side there is no issue. So these two main components are working. So now the third important component is the heating system. So right now the direction is opposite, and I don't know why this kind of things are there, because this blower is designed to work in one direction, but they are turning it on a different directions. but anyhow, if it has a two-way direction, if it is designed like this, it should work. This is the time to dismantle it, and I have removed two screws from the back side, and now the top lid is removed. So dismantling can be easy from here. Anyhow, we will check. Tank, more screw, this one is the long one, there is another one, this one is also long. Now the control panel is in our hand. I will keep it like this. Now I think this front panel should be removed before we can open this side. So there are a couple of screws. I will open one by one. This one is removed. This one is removed. This one also removed. This lid. Removed. This time I will remove this side cover. Okay, so now this one is also. So I will show you from inside that what is the heat pump. So it has a compressor, and definitely there is a refrigerant inside. So now we just need to check whether this compressor is turning on or no, and then we can find out what could be the reason. So you can see how good design it is. There is just a belt over the drum, and that's it. Maybe there is not a big problem, but only we just have to check and observe why this dryer is not working. So this is the button which tells whether the door is open or closed. Now I will run this machine, and you can see the drum is rotating. this compressor is not turning on. Now this compressor is turned on. Everything is working fine, but there is a malfunctioning. Sometime it is getting turned off after few minutes, so I will check there is something with the function selection, or there is some malfunctioning or some loose connection here. Then I will continue the video. So it's look like that these connectors are loose, so I will just try to press this one little bit. First I will open it here. Okay, and it should come out, and now I can press it with the plier. So from the back side only little, and from back side only little. We have to press it, and then it must be okay. The same we have to do with this one.
थोड़ी देर बाद स्कूटर में बैठ एक मिनट में इसको इधर पार करती हूँ और फिर ठीक है नीचे बैठ जाओ
This time it will be little bit hard to fix it, but anyhow we will fix it. So if you will press from the front, then it will not go, so always only press from the back side. So then it can be fixed. Now it is tight. This one is okay, this one is okay, this one is also okay, this one is also okay. I have fixed the loose connection, and I am going to test it again. So the function what I have choose here, it's for towel, and it is showing me 3 hours and 5 minutes. So this heat pump technology is same like air conditioning. So one side it will extract the moisture from the air to increase the evaporation of water from the laundry, and other side it will produce a heat. So the evaporation process will be faster than the usual. So the hot air, it will evaporate the water and it will go to the evaporator, and then the moisture will be extracted from the air, and then this air will go to the condenser and it will get heat up, and then it circulate like this. So this time we will check whether it is working fine or no, or there is still some malfunctioning. Now this is the time for the final testing. It is completed, so I am just going to check whether these all are, yeah, now all of them are dry completely. So this dryer is fixed now and it is working properly. I'm going to check whether this condensate collector is full. Yeah, now it has collected the water. It means everything is fine. Thank you for watching.